Hello dear viewers, welcome to this video on Excel's VLOOKUP formula. In this video, we will be covering how to use this powerful formula to search and retrieve data from a table in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced Excel user, you are sure to learn something new from this tutorial. First, let's take a look at what the VLOOKUP formula is and how it works. The VLOOKUP formula allows you to search for a specific value in a table and retrieve the corresponding data from a specified column in the same row. The basic syntax for the VLOOKUP formula is equal VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value, comma, table array, comma, column index number, comma, range lookup. For example, let's say we have a table of sales data with column for product name, salesperson, and sales. We want to retrieve the sales for a specific product. To do this, we would enter the formula in an adjacent cell. Equal VLOOKUP open bracket, select the cell that you look up. I will select A3 cell, then comma, select A7 to C12 cell, select, and provide 3 because you are finding data from 3 non-column, comma, false, close bracket. If you find the exact value so that you have to write false. This formula will search for the value product in the first column of the table A7 to C12 and return the value from the third column in the same row. The fourth argument, false, specifies that we want to exact match. If you want an approximate match, you would use true. It's important to note that the VLOOKUP formula only searches to the right. This means that the table you are searching in must be sorted in ascending order by the first column, the column you are searching in. Let's take a look at a few more examples to see how versatile the VLOOKUP formula can be. Suppose we have a list of employee names and mobile number and we want to retrieve the mobile number for a specific employee. To do this, we would enter the formula equal VLOOKUP open bracket, select A19 cell, comma, select A22 to B25 cell, comma, to write 2, comma, false, close bracket. And that's it. We have covered how to use VLOOKUP formula to search and retrieve data from a table in Excel. With this powerful formula at your disposal, you will be able to make quick work of even the most complex datasets. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials.